Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today I'll be learning how to add friends in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to add friends in Picsart, guys, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app, guys, you'll land over here, which is the home interface of Picsart. And over here at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here where on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see the person with the plus icon available for us at the top right corner. Tap on the person with the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you land over here where you'll be able to either invite your friends through email, SMS, or WhatsApp for Picsart, and just tap on either of these applications through which you want to send a friend request or invite a friend on Picsart. And the moment they open that link which you send from over here to the person, they will be added on your Picsart account as friends. One way is this one. Another is you can just tap on the find contacts and go to the settings of over here. Tap on settings, allow the Picsart to access your contacts by tapping on permissions, and where it says allow permissions, tap on the contacts button over here, and after that tap on the allow button over here, and then Picsart will start to sync your contacts, by which your friends whom use Picsart on their phone will be friends with you automatically by syncing. And with that being said, guys, this is how to add friends in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.